In this video, I'll show you how to grow a Facebook page organically so you can increase followers and engagement without paying for ads. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to the page you manage. One of the most important steps is posting content consistently. Tap the Create Post option on your page and share useful or interesting content that your audience would enjoy, such as photos, short videos, tips, or updates related to your topic. Try to post regularly so your page stays active. Another helpful step is engaging with your audience. When people like or comment on your posts, reply to their comments and interact with them to build a stronger connection. You can also share your page posts in relevant groups where people are interested in the same topic. Make sure the groups allow sharing before posting. Adding a clear profile picture, cover photo, and page description also helps make your page look professional and trustworthy. Over time, as you continue posting quality content and interacting with people, your page can grow naturally and reach more users. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips and tutorials.